Hey, what's up, guys? It's your compa Chill. Today we took the F-150 to go do a little muffler delete on it. 5.0, see what it sounded like. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what's up, guys? Just got back from the muffler shop. Did the muffler delete on it. And the resonator as well. I'll let y'all hear in just a second. Sounds alright, not bad. But alright, hold on. Let me start it up for y'all guys. Hold this. Sounds cold. I'll do one for y'all, man. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Until next time.